2022 has been another year of remarkable performance. With sales of 38.3 billion euros, up 18.5%, L'Oréal grew 1.8 times faster than the market and delivered a strong operating margin improvement. Our unique business model, our capacity for innovation, constant transformation, and the engagement of our teams have enabled us to strengthen our position as the world's #1 beauty company and bring our sense of purpose to life, to create the beauty that moves the world. Balanced, responsible, and ahead of the curve. Balanced because we overperformed the market in all divisions, geographic zones, and categories for the second year in a row. All the cylinders of the L'Oréal engine are blazing. Responsible because consistent with our ambition to achieve dual economic and societal performance, we have continued to invest strongly in our social and environmental commitments. And finally, ahead of the curve, because in this world of unprecedented polycrisis, our multiple transformations have put us in the best position to lead the future of beauty. Over the past 3 years, we have transformed our organization, accelerated into beauty tech, the next stage of our digital evolution, leveraging data and artificial intelligence. We have also transformed our ways of working to further engage our teams in the post-COVID world. This has allowed us to widen our gap versus the market and to be fit for the future. Our teams around the world have been at the heart of this great collective success, and this performance really belongs to them. Our success is also the result of a number of factors. Firstly, an unparalleled portfolio of desirable brands, which has enabled us to offer the best of beauty to each and every consumer around the world. Next, our unique model, which is strategically centralized and operationally decentralized with a very strong entrepreneurial spirit. We are multipolar by design. This model is perfectly adapted to this new fragmented world and enables us to maximize all growth opportunities. Our leadership in innovation has enabled us to feed the consumer appetite for beauty with the launch of cutting-edge products and services. We have invested more than 1 billion euros in research and innovation, launching groundbreaking technologies like UV Mute 400 on La Roche-Posay, Elvive Hyaluron Plump, and Superstay Vinyl Ink from Maybelline New York. We have also filed 561 patents to lay the groundwork for future success. And let's not forget the agility of our operations, which has enabled us to continuously adapt our go-to-market plans, manage our supply chain, and mitigate cost pressures. Of course, I'm proud of strengthening our leadership again, but I am particularly proud that thanks to our strong results, we have been able to share our success and strengthen our social and environmental contribution. From an environmental standpoint, close to 2/3 of our sites are now carbon neutral. We are making progress on plastics, with over 3/4 of our PET packaging coming from recycled plastic, and we are pushing more refillable solutions, like the new Prada Paradox fragrance. From a social front, our L'Oréal for Youth program allows us to provide 25,000 work opportunities for the under 30s each year. Our solidarity sourcing program has benefited 85,000 workers coming from communities that are often discriminated against in their access to work and income. And through our funds, we have already invested 22 million euros to restore degraded natural ecosystems and 30 million to help women in vulnerable situations around the world. And of course, we also want to share our success with our employees. In 2022, we launched the group's 3rd employee share plan in over 60 countries, and 35% of our employees worldwide have subscribed. There is more that we can and will do, but I am proud of what we've achieved to date. While we know that beauty is an essential human need and has a long track record of uninterrupted growth, even in times of recession, we remain optimistic that this positive trend will continue, helped by the continued rise of the middle classes and increased premiumization. So whilst we know that 2023 may be another bumpy year, we are confident that L'Oréal will deliver yet another year of solid growth in both sales and profits. As we look further to the future, it is clear that the past few years of crisis and constant change will mark the dawn of a new era. An increasingly multipolar era, more fragmented than before, one driven by AI and tech and with the highest expectations in terms of sustainability, purpose, and cultural diversity. To win in this increasingly fragmented world, we will evolve from universalization to singularization. In other words, from offering beauty for all to beauty for each. And our multipolar model, coupled with our capacity to harness the power of data and AI and drive sustainable change, will place L'Oréal, with its unique culture, in the best position to strengthen our leadership, create sustainable value, and share it with our stakeholders. Well, it's our Unicornus Rex, a combination of the scale and strength of a leader with the agility and creativity of a startup, always ready to seize what's starting. That's who we are. And I'm happy that with our growing size, we have been able to preserve our unique ability to disrupt and innovate.